Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So besties, today I'll be showing you guys meals I made for Madam for her first week of school. I hope you enjoyed this video with me. This is an amazing meals you can make for your toddler. Okay, so I always wake up around 5 in the morning to make her meals for her. So today is Monday. I am making rice and plantain for her. I already have stew, so I just had to make rice and fry plantain for her. And I also made another small meal again, like French toast for her. I used this slicer, this small slicer that has heart shape, like different shape, to make the shapes for her. Okay, so this is me cooking the food on Monday morning. And yeah, so right now I'm trying to put the food in the plates, okay, for her. So this is the French toast I made for her. I made like 6 for her. And I also going to be putting her rice and stew inside the row of plates. Then I'll pack everything. I hope you enjoyed this video with us. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment, and enjoy the rest of the So this is Tuesday. I am making chicken and spaghetti for her. So I'm going to be cooking spaghetti and chicken for her for Tuesday, like fry jollof spaghetti. So I'm just going to fry my chicken. After frying the chicken, then I'll put the remaining of the ingredients. And I didn't show you guys how I packed the meal because it's not easy waking up in the morning to cook food. Okay, like, and also trying to create content as well. This thing is not easy. So some of the clips you guys will see, you will not see me packing the meals. Some of the clips you see me packing the meals because, guys, it was something else. Okay, I am not new to waking up early in the morning because I once stayed with my sister and she had kids. So I used to wake up in the morning to make meal for us to use and go to school. So I am not new to it, but I am new to it as a mother. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Anyway, so I just added my onions and I'm putting the tomatoes inside. I'm going to fry everything like stir fry and then add the rest of the ingredients. If you've watched this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. Okay. Step by step, this is on Wednesday. Okay, so I am doing fried egg for her, and she had this fried egg with some sweet potato chips. That's what she took on Wednesday to school. And inside her lunchbox, I added ribena, I added a biscuit for her as well, and her water. So that was what she used to go to school. So as time goes on, I instead understanding the food she likes and the rest. Like when she brings back the food, I know if she enjoyed the meal or not. Like if she finished the food, I know okay she finished this one. If she does not finish the first, okay, I know that okay she does not really like this one. That's how it is. So this is just me frying the egg. I just remembered that I am maybe filming content. That is why you are only saying only the egg. When I was slicing the chips, I did not film it. This is on Thursday. I have the remaining sauce from Tuesday. Okay, the sauce I used to make the spaghetti, I did not use all, so I cut out some. Okay, so I'm going to be using it for Thursday. So on Thursday, she's going to be taking potato, porridge potato, and this chicken sauce. Okay, so that is what saved me from Thursday, because I was like, what will I cook for this child again? I was cracking my brain. I remember I had this rainy sauce, and I cooked Irish potato for her, and I'm just going to mix everything together, and she took it to school. Like seriously, it's not easy thinking of meals to cook. I don't have a timetable, okay, because I don't want her to be eating same food. So I tried so much to think of a meal she eat a day before, so that I know okay if I have the ingredients or not. Yeah, so I always do switching. Yeah, so this is me packing the food, and I also added ribena biscuits for her. Sometimes she does not eat the biscuits, sometimes she eat the biscuits. It depends on that my child for that day. Yeah, guys. This is on Friday, so I'm going to be making Indomie for her because it's Friday, so they close early. So just made Indomie for her with some plantain, like small cuts of plantain. So I made fried noodles for her, and plantain, and egg as well. Did she finish it? She didn't finish it. She ate the one she can eat and brought the money one back for me. But anyway, I know she ate something. That is how I know she eats at school. But she's trying. I know little by little she will be eating more. Yes, guys. So if you watch this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. So I already have my onions, green pepper, peas, everything is inside the pot. Then I just added the Indomie. I mixed everything together. This was pretty easy to make, and it saved me a lot of time. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my besties in my next one. All right, guys, bye.